I've been reading up on some complex topics about letters of credit, letters patent, and the legal differences between them. Honestly, it's a lot to digest. Let me break it down for you. Understanding the key concepts around legal rights and documenting them can really make a difference in your legal claims and how you protect them. Letters of credit versus letters patent. Think of letters of credit as promises from a bank or financial entity. They act like a temporary loan guarantee. On the other hand, letters patent are formal grants, often from a government or a recognized authority, providing rights or privileges that are more permanent. So, letters patent are stronger in legal situations? If you want to back up your claims, it's smart to move from relying on temporary letters of credit to having rights clearly outlined in a letters patent. This could protect you more effectively in disputes. Using documents in legal claims. Using the Constitution and other documents for reference. Why is that so important? Every claim you make should have a clear, credible source. If you're going to challenge or defend something legally, referencing foundational documents like the Constitution, state laws, or historical records can strengthen your position. So it's not just about what you say, but also about backing it up with solid evidence? Precisely. Each reference adds credibility and shows you've done your due diligence. Navigating court systems. Navigating the court systems can be tricky. If you're working with letters of credit or patent, you need to know which court to approach. For instance, if you're replacing letters of credit, that's something you'd start in federal court rather than bankruptcy court. So understanding where to file your documents can affect the outcome? Absolutely. The right court ensures you're speaking to the right authority on the matter. Avoiding misleading information. Here's a word of caution: some so-called experts oversimplify these processes. They might lead you to believe you can just fill out a form or say a few magic words to solve complex legal issues. It's never that easy. Sounds risky. It is. My advice? Stick to established sources, cross-reference definitions, and verify claims with multiple reputable dictionaries or legal documents. It takes time, but it keeps you on solid ground. Emphasizing self-reliance and research. In the end, legal matters are about self-reliance. Doing the research yourself, knowing your documents, and double-checking every claim are crucial. If you can rely on your own understanding, you'll be far better prepared. It's about becoming your own best advocate? Know the rules, use your documents, and remember that every step you take adds to your legal foundation. I feel like I have a clearer path forward. You're welcome. Just keep learning, and remember, when it comes to legal rights, knowledge truly is power. Template for a letters patent.